What's up everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. In today's video, we're going to take a detailed look at the exhaust system on the 2019 BMW M5 Competition. If you haven't seen my in-depth tour and test drive on the car, I put the link in the description box below. In the tour video, I was talking about all of the differences between the Competition and the regular M5. One of those differences was the exhaust system. The overall design is very similar between the two, but the Competition has a slightly different setup that offers a lot more character. You have butterfly valves out back here that vary the level of sound. You can also change the sound profile via the various drive modes. It could be as quiet as you want it or downright insane, as you'll hear in just a moment. Let's go ahead and kick things off with a round of cold starts. I'll do one from the interior, from the back, and at the engine. Pretty awesome, right? All of those cold starts were done in Sport Plus with the exhaust valves open. They were as loud as I could make them. Now let's repeat all of those angles. We'll leave everything in Sport Plus, the exhaust valves open, but now I'll start the car up at operating temperature. Alright, let's get into some revs. I want to first show you the difference between the two extremes. Efficient with the exhaust valves closed versus Sport Plus with the exhaust valves open. So let's go ahead and do efficient real quick. You can hear how quiet it is. And then we'll unleash it in Sport Plus. I just can't get over that. Even on little baby revs, it just sounds so wonderful. Here's where the magic happens. To the left of the shifter, you have your drive mode select switches for the powertrain, the dampers, and the steering. You also have an independent exhaust flap controller right here, so if, for example, you were in Sport Plus, you can close the valves, leave it in Sport Plus, and it'll just be a bit quieter. I covered all the different drive modes and other stuff in excruciating detail during that tour video, so if you'd like to learn how all that stuff works, again, the link is in the description box below. But before we soldier on, I want to show you another rear perspective of the exhaust, but this time I'm going to go between Efficient, Sport, and Sport Plus, and you'll hear how the sound profile changes. Efficient, again, is the quieter setting. Sport is a little bit louder, and then you get all those crackles and stuff with Sport Plus. All right, I admit it, guilty. I'm having way too much fun doing this. Let's get some more revs in Sport Plus, and then we'll cut to the engine, hear how it sounds up front from a few different perspectives. Okay, the time has come to hit the road, so now let's just strap a couple cameras on and get to it. that's a wrap. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed the pure sound demonstration of the 2019 BMW M5 Competition. If you haven't subscribed already, consider doing so, because there's always a lot more where that came from, with weekly car reviews and projects as well. Don't forget to leave a like below, guys. I really appreciate it. Until next time, I'll see ya. Take care.